Fungicide. We need baking soda, oil, and dishwashing soap. Tablespoon of baking soda. Tablespoon of oil. Any oil will do, whatever is available in your kitchen. And tablespoon of dishwashing soap. Mix it with 1 gallon water. Give it a shake and now it is ready to use. Pour to your spray bottle and spray it to your plants. Use it in the afternoon. For plants that infected with fungi can be also used to the soil. This is my pumpkin. As you can see, it has powder mildew. Use the spray over and under the leaf. Thank you for watching.